On this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step blueprint that you can use to make $10,000 per month using free traffic source as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. The best part is that you can use this method wherever you are in the world to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network so that you can find digital products to promote. You can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join any affiliate network that you want. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. So once you create your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many other categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this particular product right here, JScript. This product helps people to manifest faster, so it's under the personal development category. You can see the commission rate is $70 per sale. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to be earning per every sale. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to promote the product. To promote the product, if you are new, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can look at the landing page of the product. You can see 20 words script alter your DNA, allowing you to manifest 100 times faster. So this particular product will help people to manifest their goals very fast. If you want, you can click right here to watch the video and then learn more about the product. In this case, I've been promoting it, so I don't need to watch the video again, but in your case, you have to watch the video so that you can get some basic information about the product. So now once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to promote it. So you have to come right here and then copy your affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are not going to see your affiliate link right here. You will see something like promote now. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link like this. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to buy the product through this particular link for you to earn money on Digistore24. So the next step is that you are going to come on this website, Odyssey.com. On this website, you can publish videos, you can publish articles, and the best part is that this particular website gets a lot of traffic from the United States. As you can see on similar web, Odyssey.com, let me scroll to show you the traffic. You can see right here, it gets up to 22 million visits every month. As you can see, this is the monthly traffic. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see 21.55% of the traffic is coming from the United States. You can see 16.79% is coming from France, 10.34% is coming from Germany. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see 5.90% is coming from Canada. You can see 5.51% is coming from the United Kingdom. So this particular website is getting a lot of traffic from tier 1 countries. It's one of the quality traffic source that you can use to promote the product. So now the next step is that you are going to come on Odyssey.com and then create your free accounts. You don't need to pay for anything. You have to sign up for a free account so that you can begin to promote your product right here. You can see right here, they have a lot of categories that you can promote your product. You can see lifestyle, you can see education, artists, pop culture, you can see spunky, gaming, you can see tech, comedy, music, sports. There are many categories. As I scroll, you can see universe, you can see finance. Let me scroll down, you can see spirituality, you can see news and politics, you can see Wild West. So you can see these are the categories. So any of the categories that you want, you can select a product and then promote it under that category so that you can get the specific people who are interested in the product to purchase it for you to make money. So just sign up for an account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to promote your product right here. Once you create your accounts and log in, you can see right here, you can upload a video, you can go live, you can also write an article and then post it right here. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be posting articles on this platform so that we can get people to read the articles and then click on our affiliate link so that they can buy the product for us to make money. If you don't know how to write an article, you can use article writers like ChatGPT. You can use any article writer that you know. So once you use the AI to write the articles, you are going to be publishing it right here. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use ChatGPT to write the articles. So you have to write an article related to the product that you are promoting. you can see the product is about how to manifest very fast. So we are going to write an article about manifestation so that we can use it to promote the product. So just come on ChatGPT and then write something like 5 ways to manifest your goals faster. Something like this, 5 ways to manifest your goals faster. So something like this, just click enter so that it can write a full article for you. As you can see, it is writing the article. It is going to write the article for us. As you can see, this is the article. You can see everything. You can see everything in the article. So now what we have to do is that we have to publish this article on odyssey.com so that we can use it to promote the product. So just copy the title of your article. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come on odyssey.com, click right here, post an article so that you can post the article. Once you click on that, you can see title. So just paste the title right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste the body of your article right here. So let's scroll down. This is where you are going to paste the body of your article. So we are going to come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is the article. The next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So you can write a call to action before you paste your affiliate link right here. So let's type something like, click here to learn more about how to manifest faster. Something like this. You can write a nice call to action than this. So we are asking them to click on a link so that they can learn how to manifest very fast. So now once you write your call to action, the next step is that we are going to copy and paste our affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on Digistore24 and then click right here so that you can highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to search for this particular website, bit.ly.com. Once you are on the website, paste your link right here so that you can shorten it. Paste it right here. Once you paste it, click on shorten. As you can see, the link has been shortened. So just click right here, copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now the next step is that you are going to upload a thumbnail. So you have to upload an image that is related to your article. In this case, we are talking about manifestation. So you can just go on Google and then search for manifestation images. So just come on Google and then type something like manifestation. Let's search for images so that we can find them. Once you search for manifestation, click right here, images, so that you can find images. As you can see, these are images, so you can select any of them that you want. In this case, I want this one, so right click on the image and then select save image so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, browse, so that you can upload the image. Once you click on browse, select your image, click open so that the image will appear here as your thumbnail. So just click right here, upload. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. So this is your thumbnail. So now once you have your thumbnail, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, do you want people to pay before they read your article? The answer is no. So we are going to leave it as free. We don't need to add any price. So once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see tags. So you have to tag your article so that it can be ranked on the site. So we are going to add tags to it. Just click right here so that you can add your tags. You can see these are examples of tags that you can add. So let's type something like manifestation, something like this. Click right here, add, so that it will be added. As you can see, it has appeared right here. You can add more. So let's type something like spirituality, something like this, and then click right here, add. Once that is done, we are going to add meditation. Click right here, add. You can add up to 5. Let me close the add right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here additional options. So if you want, you can click on it so that you show additional options, but in this case it is not important, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see a URL is required. So you have to enter a name so that your article will have a URL. So just scroll upwards. You can see right here URL. Enter any name that you want. So you can see Genie script. You can type the product name, or you can write anything that you want. It is acceptable. Once you write the name, when you scroll down, you can see you can now post your article onto the platform. So just click on post so that your article will be posted onto the platform. As you can see, they are asking you to confirm, so just click on it, confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see this is the article. You can click right here, view my upload, so that you can see everything that you have uploaded. But you can see the article is still confirmed, so you have to wait for it. It depends on the network. If your network is strong, it is going to be posted within a matter of seconds. You can see success, your content will be live, so your article is going to be live on the platform. So make sure you keep on posting many articles onto the platform so that you can get people to read them and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. Don't post one article, post more than 2 articles a day so that you can get a lot of clicks. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.